Hello, how you doing? Oh, you found it. Who had it?
Some lady called me. I don't know.
That gorgeous looking puppy.
I know. She gave me this long ass story. She was crying and stuff or whatever.
You don't video people without their permission.
So y'all take it. You better keep that bitch in the house with y'all. That motherfucker steal it again.
That looks like Sammy.
I hear that.
Hi, gorgeous looking dog. That's Sammy.
You are.
That thing can walk and keep videoing people. And you don't know if they want to be recorded or
That's why
not.
some lady was crying.
Let's do vines, Christian. Let's do vines.
She stole it.
No, at the house. Saying that you did do your homework. Did you do your homework? Would you like some raviolis or big ravies? You're watching the vines of raviolis. Raviolis.
Well, everybody gotta do some things. Shakira, no?
Oh my gosh, I'm cold.
Cole, why you putting y'all the hoodie?
We don't got another hoodie.
Yes, he do. He got his book bag.
I don't. Yo, Takara, shut up! What the heck? He dropped the boy. Yo, that was on Nature Live Show. Butterfinger. Drop the camera. Going on me. Okay.
Christian, braid my hair, Christian.
I don't know how. Braid your hair. I was supposed to.
Christian, not a braid.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
It's easy, Christian. Pay for that.
Well, I guess you're paying $50K for me to braid your hair. You know how to twist?
50K?
That's $5 million. No, you're gonna pay me $2 million K. Now you're gonna pay me. Yo, look at that big bug. You're gonna pay me $1 mil K.
Christian.
So yeah, I'm sure. We should ask Dad this weekend if we can bring our bikes to George's house. He's gonna say no because it's snowing. It's snowing, right? We'll do it in the spring. So what is he gonna say? If it's snowing, Jakira, if it's snowing, what is he gonna say? Raviolis. Does it feel like I was not? Okay. He wants some beef raviolis. Watch it. Watch it. Beef raviolis. Diane, tell Jakira to stop. No. You want some raviolis? No, but now I get mad. You're the one saying you want to eat people's butts for groceries. I was tapping this on. I didn't need to do live Oh my gosh, now we're going in here? Always. Gosh. I said, yeah, I'm a G. Guys, I found a house. It's unlocked. I said, yeah, I'm a G. Where's our car? Where? Where's our, what the F? You're gonna try to break that? Here, use this. Yo, what the F? I'm gonna do it. Here, I'll hold it. You broke a mirror!
Yeah.
You got bad luck for 7 years!
Come on, don't.
Jason broke a mirror! He got bad luck for 7 years! You wanna see he broke a mirror?
Let me see.
You get bad luck for 7 years. You get good luck. See, he broke that.
You don't get bad luck for that.
That's a mirror, right?
You have to break it like looking inside of it. I found a marble. I'm gonna break it.
Dang! Diamond! Diamonds! I'm gonna sell this for 50K.
Shine bright
Diamonds.
like a diamond.
Dun, dun. You see this diamond?
Shine bright in the beautiful, beautiful seas.
Like a
How hard
diamond.
can you find this diamond? And you know, and I find like diamonds in the sky. I find this
Bitch, come on.
What? Diamonds in the sky. Yo, we all split the pole.
Fire! Oh, spit!
Spit marker. Spit marker.
Hit the spit marker! Hit the marker! Hit marker! You're nasty. All you do is spit now. Shine bright like the beautiful seas. How hard can I?
You know what Bebo says? You know what Bebo says? He said, he said, I'm only wearing the blue outfit so I could be, wait, I'll tell you later. It's funny. I want to know how he knows this. He probably learned it from Jaden. Bebo said, he said, I'm only wearing this blue outfit so I could be Crip all day.
What?
Crip. That's a game.
I'm gonna be all day.
He said first we were blood and now we're Crip. He said, I'm only wearing this blue outfit so I can Crip all day. He went outside when you guys were when you guys was at the house. He was like, oh yeah, he came outside. He was like, oh yeah, Crip all day.
And then how did he bring up our blood? We were friends' blood.
Remember when that day we was there and we had the cookies and we was leaving?
Yeah.
He was like, oh, first we were blood and then we were Crip. The day that we were trying to investigate.
Did you look up what trip means? You don't know if it's a game or not.
It is.
Nope.
Even my friend said he is.
And did you
That's why he got the blue Jordans.
first when we had blood, then we were crib?
And my other friend said he's blood. That's why he wears red and black.
Yeah, okay.
This is where Francis lives. Francis. Yo, we had a chance to go. We was acting stupid, man.
Chance to go. First when we blood. Wait, we're crib all day.
We're Crip all day. We're Crip all day.
Yeah. Yo, cutting me.
Cause I can, leave me alone.
Why you keep on recording this?
Cause I can, leave me alone. It's gonna be an hour walk. Hey!
Let's put the garbage. And we did it anyways.
Garbage can't split. We split the garbage. Now let's split the car.
Garbage is what?
Well, I thought we were gonna split the car. I I think I might get Dad a mini football. Football.
I ain't got that kind of money to get her Smith's stuff.
I never said that. We had a Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree, everything costs $1. No.
This type of Dollar Tree.
Yes.
Yeah, but
Five and Below has more stuff, but Family Dollar costs everything costs $1.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
Family Dollar always has different prices. They say it's a dollar store, but it's not. Dollar Trees are different.
Not this place. Everything costs $1. No, it doesn't. Yes, it does. Everything costs like 11 and 10. Nothing costs. In here, everything costs 11 and 10. No, everything costs
No,
$1. They don't cost. Everything costs $1. There's no cents or leftover money. That's what I just said. Everything in here costs $1. No, they don't. Yes, they do.
Dollar's the one that doesn't cost everything $1. Then I got freaking Bubbles for $5. What do you think?
That's true.
Told you they cost $1, man.
$1 you don't cheap.
That's not true. All right, so let's go look at the prices. Let's go look at the prices.
All right, we're gonna go.
All right, so look at these.
Let's see what we're gonna get.
$1. No, it's not. Nope. 4 packs, but never mind. Exactly.
Am I getting in or those?
See, $1 right here.
Daddy, we choose Dad. No, Nana first. Or Dad. Alright, let's choose.
Quick ball day.